On all of our EyeSpy360 Pro accounts, you have the ability to add your own company branding. Change your virtual tour URL, the logo in the top right-hand corner, and the Nadir image, which is the image on the floor of the tour, covering the area where your tripod stood. To change these settings, simply navigate to the Settings tab. In the Company Name field, type in the name you wish to appear in the tour URL, and put your company website in the Website field, so that when a viewer clicks on the logo, they are taken straight to your website. Click on Save Changes to confirm. Press Set under Nadir image to change this, click Upload Company Logo and select your preferred PNG image. You can scale this to your ideal size and then click Save. Similarly, with the company logo, click Set and choose your image. Finally, click Set under Hotspot image and choose the shape you would like to use to navigate between rooms. You can even add your own by clicking on the plus icon. Select your image and you will then be able to adjust the colour on a slider, as with all of the Hotspot images. Click Set to save your selection. Now, when you go back into one of your virtual tours, you will see that your new company logo, Hotspot, and Nadir image have been saved.